Engine 8.
Returning.
Okay.
Engine 8 on the scene of the accident, we're northbound.
Engine 8 on the scene. Switch over to main, sir.
Battalion 2, Battalion 2. Engine 8, Engine 8.
Battalion 2, go ahead.
Chief, we give you a full auto in the building response.
Message received.
Go ahead.
Truck 4 to main.
Go ahead, truck 4 to message.
Yeah, give us a plan 1 here. Over at 130 on semi into the L station.
We're going to give you an EMS plan 1 there. An EMS plan 1 at 138 West Cermak for the auto in the building and the orders of truck 4. It's an EMS plan 1 now, 138 West Cermak for the auto into the building and the orders of truck 4.
Going to the building on the orders of truck 4.
1654 West Polk.
26 on the scene.
Inglewood, would you put us back on previous?
72 messages.
Is in service, returning. Ambulance 28 is waving us off.
Okay. Battalion 2.
I have the ambulance at stage at Cermak and Wentworth, and can I get a level 1 here too?
Chief, we're going to have the stage at Cermak and Wentworth for all the EMS personnel. Level 1 hazmat. Go ahead, Battalion 2.
Yeah, give me a level 1 for diesel fuel.
Chief, we're getting level 1 hazmat there. Level 1 hazmat at 138 West Cermak Road for diesel fuel. A level 1 hazmat at the scene at the EMS Plan 1 at 138 West Cermak Road for a semi-tractor trailer leaking diesel fuel.
Level 1 hazmat 138 West Cermak. The scene of the EMS Plan 1 for diesel fuel leak. A level 1 hazmat 138 West Cermak at the scene of the EMS Plan 1 for a diesel fuel leak.
Truck 47, okay. Battalion 2, your message.
Yeah, give me a plan 2 here.
Battalion 2, we're going to give you an EMS Plan 2 now. EMS Plan 2 now at 138 West Cermak Road for the auto into the building on the orders of Battalion 2. It's an EMS Plan 2 now at 138 West Cermak Road for the automobile into the building on the orders of Battalion 2.
482 responding.
482, you are responding, correct? 482?
Correct. 2130 to Maine, I'm going to take that in.
2130, we're going to put you on it.
Engine 29454 West 27th Street for the IMBO assist.
29.
71 to Maine, I'm going to return to quarters in service.
All right, 71, you're returning. Maine at 221, 221.
221, officer.
Yes, Chief, we got you going. That is correct.
492 to the plan 1.
492, you're going to the plan 1.
Correct, to plan 2.
Plan 2, other, that is correct.
2112 to Maine.
2112, go.
Office, I'm on the scene at Cermak. Start the squad in the collapse rescue unit, please. We got a semi-trailer that's all the way in through the infrastructure up into the escalator.
All right, Chief, just to verify, you're asking for 521 and 522, correct?
Yeah, office.
Got the collapse response in there. And right now you have squad 1, Chief. Squad 1's your only squad right now. Correct?
Yeah, give us a second squad. The Carpenter for the investigation.
115.
Truck 50's on the scene, 8354 Hoing for the automatic alarm. We got nothing showing. Truck 50's in sector 1.
Okay. 225 in with the 225.
225.
225, disregard the run on that third night. Disregard it.
Disregard return.
Correct, sir.
Thank you.
Squad 7 is a division and Larrabee.
Squad 7, okay. Chief, you want 2 more ALS engines, we're going to start them in there for you.
R13's available.
113, okay, stand by, I got something for you.
Is available, office. 2112, Maine.
2112, stand by, we'll get your ALS engines for you, Chief.
213 to me.
213, go ahead, Chief.
Office, is that command van on the scene yet?
Not at this time, Chief. He's still going. Cermak Wentworth, okay, Commissioner. 271, 271, come in from the west, 271. Stage at Cermak and Wentworth. You got that? Acknowledge.
271 coming in from the west.
2112, 2112.
213 for 212. What's up?
Commissioner, you got engine 23, and they're going to come in from the west. We'll give you one more ELS engine, Chief. 113, 113. I want 113 only. I want 113 only right now. 113 head eastbound on the ice. Start heading east.
Gonna head east on the ice.
That's correct. That's correct. Let me know how it's moving also.
I'll let you know in a minute.
What's this, Lucas? That's 20, I'm sorry. That's 20 on the scene.
Wait at 213, 213.
213.
Alright, Chief, the additional ELS engines are engine 23 and engine 4 are coming in from the west. On 2112's orders 5 minutes ago, you got a full class response coming in at 521, 522 with 14's group, 5 in the truck, Chief. Let me know what else you need.
Okay, office, them 2 ALS engines, they can come in from the west, but I'm going to want them on the south side of Cermak Road. I want the ambulances to back in from the west so we can start the transport out of here. Okay, office?
Alright, Chief. Alright, Chief, we have engine 23, engine 4 on the south side of Cermak, just west of Wentworth. Does that work for you?
That'll work fine, office.
23, engine 23. 23, I want you to come in. All companies stand. Engine 23. Main engine 23. 23, I want you to come in from the west. I want you to stage on the south side of Wentworth, basically across the street from engine H quarters. You got that?
You want us to go by engine H quarters on the end of Wentworth?
Yeah, I want you. Correct. I want you right across the street from engine H quarters, basically. That's where I want you. Engine 4, you got that engine 4?
Across from engine H quarters.
You got it, right there. You got it.
271's on the scene on Cermak.
Alright, 113, stand by. I got something for you.
Emergency. You copying this, office?
Go ahead with the emergency.
213, I'd like a plan 3 here, office. I want the ambulances to come in from the west, okay, and I want them...
Chief, we're going to give you an EMS plan 3 now. We're going to have them coming from the west and stage, correct?
That's it, office.
I gave it to the EMS dispatcher. I'll make sure they announce it again.
Thank you very much, Danny.
EMS plane 3 now, 138 West Cermak Road for the automobile into the building on the orders of 213. It's an EMS plane 3 now, an EMS plane 3 at 138 West Cermak Road for the automobile into the building on the orders of 213. 2112, stand by. 1 second, I'm right back with you.
213.
Hold up the ambulance, Sandy. We got a refusal.
Okay, that's engine 19 holding the ambulance?
That's right, office.
That's his receipt.
115, we're on 123 and Hollister with 75.
115.
Where do you want us? 72 is back in his steel.
72, okay.
2112, your message, 2112.
Office, get a hold of the CTA control center. Tell them we want to hold on the Cermak line. We want the train in a push shutdown until we assess this structure.
We'll have the power shut down and we'll get you a hold and confirmation 2112. 113.
Go ahead.
113, taking the incident, Mitch. I want you to stage on Cermak, basically right across your bridge at H quarters and go to work your manpower.
Stage across from A's house and go down there with the manpower.
That's correct.
Floor.
You still want the ambulance held?
Team?
Yes, office, we are.
Very good. 22, engine 22, return to quarters 22. Return.
22's returning.
That's right, 22.
Engine 19's returning.
As it received, engine 19. Engine 19, take an unconscious person breathing at 3400 Indiana. 3400 Indiana.
3400 Indiana for engine 19.
That's correct.
What's your message, 271?
Orders of 213, we need a secondary hole on the Cermak line. We need that power shut.
You want a secondary hole? Okay, stand by.
There is no fire at this time.
Message received.
And then that was on the orders of 2112.
Inglewood.
122.
You have a key on that angle?
122 is ambulance 25. Speak to him on our administrator.
The main.
271, your message.
213 is requesting a supervisor here to meet him at Cermak, east of Cermak, of the Redline, and he also needs a wrecker here, a CTA wrecker here.
You're requesting a CTA heavy wrecker, and 213 wants a supervisor for the CTA, just east of Wentworth on Cermak.
That's correct.
And we'll make the request for the heavy wrecker.
The main.
271.
We're requesting a light wagon here. Also, the Commissioner 213 is requesting a light wagon.
And the orders of 213, we're going to start the light wagon in there, 271. Uh, 271, you're going to get 911 from 28 quarters, 271.
911 from 28 quarters.
Okay, 271.
860, if you're waiting for 98 on the first responder. Welcome, Commander 20 Inglewood. We are in service returning to car. Sir.
Hey, truck number 20, okay.
On the scene, 1419 South Strip, northbound, ambulance.
38, okay.
Engine 93 to Inglewood. What BLS ambulance are we getting there?
93, stand by. 91.
91, thank you. Go. Who's my plan chief and who's my field officer here?
Okay.
Engine 60 is northbound on the same 4161 south Drexel for the diabetic.
Engine 60 on the scene.
Lane to 271. 271, go. Are you looking for a battalion chief, you're saying, to the command van? I need to know who the field officer is. Stand by. We'll get a field officer to the command van, correct? Is that what you're looking for? That's correct. We'll get a field officer at the command van.
The full box at 3428 at the Indiana Chevy Chase. You're on the scene there, correct?
We're on the scene here, yes.
All right, stand by.
That's your 125 domain. 125, your message. What ambulance do we have assigned? 125, stand by. 271, 271. Go ahead, man. Alright, 271, your secondary hold has been confirmed. Let the incident commanders know that the power is off both directions, 13th Street to 27th Street. Repeat, from 13th Street to 27th Street, the power is off.
Negative, have you made your pace? Stay with your pace.
99 your message, 99, go.
Stay with your pace.
You can hold the truck, they're fumigating here. Alright, 99, truck 48, return truck 48. 48, message received.
Engine 29.
Truck 4, driver. I need the check camera. 125, 125. You have EMS 7, 125. Engine 7 for 125. That is correct. 271, 271. 271, go. 271, your field officer is, stand by. 454 is coming to the van right now, 454. We have 458 in the van at this moment. Okay, so you don't need 454 then, correct? That is correct.
Receive, 417.
All right, stand by 1 second, I'll get back with your command van. 71, your message, go. We need a towel out of here to report to 221. 271, we'll get you a towel out of there. Make sure they come in from the west. You're going to get power 5 from quarters. We'll tell them to come in from the west. Truck 11, Sector 1 on Indiana.
Truck 11, okay.
I don't know if you got there now. You're getting towel out of 5. You want them to go anywhere or just right to the staging area? Have that towel out to come in from the west, report to 221. Come in from the west, report to 221, okay. Who's calling me? What company? 38. 38, go. Plan, boy, you gotta come. 38, stay back, right back with you. 38, got almost 15, 1-5. Give me an ETA on? Yeah. Stand You know what? They just reported on the scene. We're not told.
Message received.
Okay.
Sure. 71 to main.
271, your message.
Have that towel out of fire to report to the van when they come to get on the scene. Have the
I will have them move in as close as they can. Report to the van when they get on the scene then, correct?
That's correct.
All right. Tower 5.
Yeah, Tower 5.
That's right. Make sure you come in from the west. Thank you.
Message 644 to main. I'm reporting on the scene. 8 West Cermak, and I am facing southbound.
All right. It sounds like 644, correct? You're on the scene?
644 is on the scene at Cermak and Wentworth, facing southbound.
644, okay. 271.
Lineup, 4743 for lineup.
Coming in from Midway.
634 to stair truck from Midway. Message.
That is correct.
That's correct.
Battalion 15 Englewood, I'm on the scene, 3428 South Indiana, 4-story nursing home, 75 by 150, nothing showing.
Battalion 15, okay.
Been going on. Repeat that.
Update here, status is the same, no one requires any medical attention, they're still on partial power. We haven't been in contact with anyone from ComEd yet. I'm wondering if I can give you a supervisor out here.
All right, message received, Battalion 20.
Battalion 15 in Englewood, I'm going to straighten this box out. Truck 11 is going to remain on the scene to reset the system.
Battalion 15 was straightened out in the orders. The box alarm, 3428 Indiana, record on the order of the 15th Battalion. 3428 Indiana, just record on your orders of Battalion 15.
16 Independence. 1216 South Independence. Asthmatic.
1216 Independent.
That's right. Asthmatic attack.
Okay.
4917, 4743 Polina. There's nothing showing, we're southbound.
49, okay.
95, return to quarters. 95, we're trying to hold you. Return.
95 is returning.
271, go with your message.
You can hold up that stair truck from Midway 634, and we need the ETA on the light wagon, please.
ETA in the light wagon, we'll hold up 634. 39 engine 39, can you give us the ETA for that stair truck? Correction, for the light wagon? Sorry.
49, you can hold everybody up here. We have no fire.
49, okay. All companies still responding, 4743 per line in return. All companies still responding, 4743 per line in return.
39, what's your ETA to scene, 39, with that light wagon?
We're at Archer and Halstead. Where do you want the light wagon?
All right, we want you to come in from the west. 39, come in from the west, that light wagon. 271. 271, do it Archer and Halstead right now with the light wagon. Probably less than 5 minutes now. We're going to have them coming from the west on Cermak, correct?
That's correct, man. Have them coming into the west and head right toward the red line. And 213 is requesting a high-dock record from 35th Street.
All right, we're going to have 911 make their way right to the scene, correct?
That is correct.
39 engine, 39 acknowledge that assignment, 39.
All right, man.
39, the command man wants you to bring a light wagon right to the scene to have you set it up right at the elder. You got that?
Message received, Ron.
22nd Street,
from the west.
That's correct. Just make your way through there. They're going to have you set it up right away. 271.
Go ahead, Maine.
Yeah, 271, just to verify with you, 213's requesting one wrecker or two?
Two wreckers from IDOT from 35th Street.
All right, 213 wants two heavy wreckers from IDOT. Message received.
One to Maine.
271, go.
Fargo report at this time. We have 11 removals. They're all red. And at this time, we're also working on excavating 2 victims.
11 removals, all red, and you're still trying to extract 2 victims, correct?
That's correct, Maine.
Message received.
47, your message. Alright, 47, now you're not readable, try it again.
Do you have a location where they want mass casualty to set up?
Stand by.
Truck 41's on the scene at 62 and Rockwell, looking for the gunshot victim.
47. Switch over to the main frequency.
Best received, officer. I was trying not to tie them up.
They're requesting you. 73, engine 73.
Engine 73.
Heart attack 87 and Vincent. On the Metro train, last car, CTA in progress, 87 and Vincent.
87 to Vincennes for engine 73.
That's it. 634, Englewood to 634.
47 has that message, office.
All right, very good, 47. 634, main to 634 to stair truck. 634, main to 634 to midway stair truck. Main to 271.
271, go.
Got a 20-minute ETA for those 2 IDOT wreckers coming from 35th Street.
20-minute ETA, message received.
271 also, we made several attempts to hold up that stair truck. They're not answering. Looks like they're going to make it in there.
Message received, man. We'll direct them when they get in there.
All right, very good.
123, your location, 123.
123, 49th and Ashland.
Take a heart attack, person down rather from an unknown call. 44th in California, 44 in California.
44 in California, person down for 123.
Right.
Truck 51 Inglewood.
Truck 51.
We're returning. The police took care of this.
30 engine 30 location.
Engine 73 is at 87 to Vincennes, going up to the Metro.
3, okay.
4 to truck 4 Bailey.
Engine 30 to main, can you put that run up on our screen, please, at 11?
30, okay.
The main office.
119, okay. 119?
Yeah, go ahead, Op.
Yeah, 119. He's got a report of no fire, got lightning hit the roof.
The scene 4400 South California. We're looking around, office.
That's 52 on the scene.
331 Normandy.
That's right. 30, did you get it, 30?
271 to main.
Go ahead, 271.
This time we've got 17 transports and we're still working on 1 excavation.
17 transports and you're still trying to extricate 1 victim, correct?
That's affirmative.
Alarm 2828 West 31st Street, a box alarm. 2828 West 31st Street. Battalion 14 to 14th Battalion. Truck 32, truck 32. Going to truck 32, truck 32.
Office, your group's going to be northbound 6331 northbound Normandy, nothing showing up.
119 on the scene at the group.
Engine 30's on the scene, 1167 South Face. Southbound ambulance.
30, okay. 107, 107.
Office, we...
Alright, 119, you're reporting smoke. 119.
We have a little smoke in the alley.
You're reporting smoke. We're going to start your working fire response in there.
I don't know, office. Looks like a hand pump fire. Why don't you let me get back?
Alright, very good. You're going to investigate and get back with me. Thank you.
271 to main.
Go ahead. Alright, 271, go.
4213, the train that was involved in this incident is completely empty now.
Alright, the train involved in the incident is empty. Message received.
Correction, the truck that was involved is empty. The truck.
Alright. Alright, the truck. Message received 271. 107?
107.
Can you go? 107, can you go?
He's up there in this juvie center. Let me see.
Alright, let me know.
119 to me. We got bumps. You can hold up the second company in the Jeep in here.
119, you're holding up second companies.
49. Brian, you got 44 coming in here?
We're going to return. Hold everybody else you got coming.
Battalion 11, continue in Battalion 11.
I'm on the scene. We got a 2-story frame, 40 by 50. Lightning hit the attic. We got companies up in the attic. It looks like it might be just some of the insulation. Looks like the fire's out. What fire there was. We're doing a primary search right now.
Battalion 11, your message received.
Engine 13 and quarters.
13, okay. 44, you got a message, 44.
Hey, man, you want us to continue in?
No, Tower 20. The Tower 23 returning quarters, Tower 23.
Tower's returning.
That's right.
107, Maine, we're not available.
Okay, 107. Battalion 10, return, Battalion 10.
10th is returning.
Yeah, Chief, we'll put you back in quarters.
Engine on it, man. 15228 West 31st Street, we're facing eastbound, nothing showing at a cold back.
I got a couple companies at once. This 109 reporting on the scene.
We're on the scene, nothing showing. We're eastbound for 109 in the truck.
All right, 109. Sounds like they tried to reconnect and didn't call us. Let them know.
271 to main.
271.
109 to main. Hold up.
271, your message.
213 is requesting the BLS immediately.
Is your question to what, 271?
Another BLS ambulance in here.
All right, we'll get you another BLS ambulance there, 271.
57's on the scene, 925 California.
57, okay. 271, 271.
Go ahead, man.
All right, just to clarify, there's a lot of radio traffic. You're requesting one BLS ambulance or how many?
We need one at this time, man.
All right, one. That's what I thought you said. One additional BLS ambulance, okay.
106 to main.
106, go.
We're as far as Montrose on the Kennedy, the outbound. We find no accident. Unless you have something else, we're turning around and going home.
That's all we have. We'll hold up that ambulance. Truck 13, return truck 13.
Truck 13's returning.
Box alarm 2828 West 31st Street, struck on information from engine 109. Box alarm 2828 West 31st Street, struck on information from receiving engine company 109. Our company still responding, return.
9, box alarm 30. 2828 31st Street, struck on information from engine 109.
Traffic 6 home.
That's right.
71 to main.
271, go.
Did you make that two BLS ambulances that have them come here?
We got you 89, we'll get you another BLS ambulance now. Your first one is 89. We'll get you another one.
Thank you, man. Have them come in from the west, please.
Oh yeah, coming from the west.
Battalion 11 to main.
Go ahead, Battalion 11.
Yeah, officer, the fire's out. Primary, secondary, and final search all complete and negative. Companies will be picking up shortly.
Okay, Battalion 11, your message received.
Are available due to the incident on Cermak.
Okay, officer, I'm going to give you a call on my cell phone.
Message received.
Ambulance 90, message received.
Okay, and they're coming in from the west.
That's affirmative. Coming in from the west. Coming in from the west. Engine 11 in the truck are at 7447 West Telcott, the automatic alarm. We are westbound.
11, truck 9. 11, truck 9 in the scene.
One's all done on Western, returning in service.
101, okay.
Engine 78. In the 78, engine 78.
Battalion 15, Englewood.
Battalion 15.
The Bronzeville Park Nursing Home at 3400 on Indiana is going to be on 911. So further notice. Would you notify the Bureau in the morning?
Okay, we'll make that notification now.
We'll call them.
Battalion 15, Englewood. Battalion 15 and Truck 11 are in service, returning.
Battalion 15, okay.
Battalion 11 to main, 119, Truck 55 are in service. Keep me on the air, office. I'll be on the scene for...
Battalion 11 back on the air. 271, main at 271.
271, go.
Yeah, the ambulances that have transported and dropped off their patients, they're asking us, do you want them back to the scene?
Stand by, main.
Okay.
One to main.
Go ahead, 271.
Yes, man. Have those ambulances returned to the scene here.
All right, we'll have the ambulances come back to the scene. Right now, you got 3 ambulances coming back to you now.
Engine 11 to main.
Engine company 11, go.
Faulty detector here.
All right, 11, truck 9, okay.
271 to main.
Go ahead, 271.
EMS tell us now you have those ambulances hold up, and they don't have to return.
You don't want the ambulances to come back there. Message received. We'll hold them up. We'll release them. 78, Agent 78, you're being held. Return.
78, return.
That's right, 78.
Can you send a beat car here?
Hey, I'm going to get your beat card there, Chief.
And I'll be further monitoring the situation. I'm going to return to quarters.
Through this plan, and on his orders, he wants 5 ALS ambulances to return and 1 BLS. All other ambulances can return.
All right, per 213, we're going to secure the EMS Plan 3, and you want 5 ALS ambulances to come back to the scene, correct?
That's affirmative, and 1 BLS.
5 ALS ambulances back to the scene, and 1 BLS. We'll do that.
That's correct. Take direction. 213 to main, direct.
Go ahead, Chief.
Office, that's a total of 5 ambulances, 4 ALS, 1 BLS return here to the scene. It does not include the additional 2 BLS ambulances that are still responding. The rest of the ambulances, office.
All right, Chief, that's what we thought. 4 ALS, 1 BLS will have them return back to the scene. EMS Plan 3, at the scene of the automobile in the building at 138 West Cermak, has been securing the orders of 213. The EMS Plan 3, at the scene of the automobile into the building at 138 West Cermak, has been secured on the orders of 213. 18-16 hours.
West Cermak has been secured by 213.